Meaning of cymbal. Cymbal. Cymbal.
Cymbal. Cymbal. A cymbal is a musical instrument that is typically made of metal and used in various genres of music, such as rock, jazz, and orchestral music. It consists of a thin, circular plate that is struck with a drumstick or another cymbal to produce a loud, shimmering sound. Cymbals come in different sizes, shapes, and thicknesses, which can affect their tone and volume. They play an important role in adding texture, color, and dynamics to music, and are often used to accentuate rhythms, transitions, and climaxes.